So friends, now we are in the middle of Geneva camp at Mohammadpur in front of a famous biryani house known as Boba Biriyani. So let's check it out. The original name of the restaurant is Faizani Medina Biryani House. But why people call it Boba Biryani? The answer is this serviceman named Champi, who is unfortunately dumb. For the convenience of remembering the name Faizani Medina, people who came here to eat biryani started calling this shop as Dumb Mama Shop. So friends, after a huge struggle, we have managed to get a spot for taking our meal, as it's really a very small space with a huge gathering of crowds all around here. And if you ever came here, then you need to stand in a queue for a long time for getting the chance to take your meal here. So without talking further, let's get started with our meal. They have provided a sufficient amount of biryani really required for a person to get fully satisfied, and the rice they have provided, it's not sticky at all. It's really neat, and I do really prefer the neat ones, not the sticky ones. Along with, they have served us numerous beefs, 6 pieces of beef are here, along with one potato, one salted potato or 2 here. Biryani without potato seems like incomplete, right? Smoky flavors are coming out from biryani, as it's prepared in a wooden stove and it's been kept for a long time there. The fragrance of biryani along with the smokiness of it just going so good. It's really so delicious. And one important thing, that I'm not seeing any irrelevant spices like the cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, which I really don't like to have in biryani. And it's really going so good. I didn't have wrestled with it. It's that much easier to pull it out. It's because it's soft and it's so moist from inside. The tenderness of it is so good. It's a must-trying biryani, I must say. And they too have served us this chali kebab. It's mainly the beef chali kebab they have served us. So let's have a break with it and see. The coriander leaves along with the translucent onions are visible, and the chilies are too visible, right? This chali kebab is so good, really so good. They too have provided us burhani along with this boba biryani, prepared with the curd along with the spices. And mint leaves is the obvious one in it, so let's have a try. So refreshing. A soothing drinks, I must say. It's soothing every tiredness of mine.